Hello and welcome to the EllieGrid tutorial. In order to get started, all you will need is an EllieGrid pillbox and the EllieGrid mobile app, which you can download from the Apple app or Google Play Store. You will also want to turn on your phone's Bluetooth so that the app can connect to the pillbox. Program Alarm. First, you will need to open the mobile app and connect to the pillbox. If the Bluetooth icon on the top right corner of the screen is blue, like in this case, that means the app is connected to the pillbox. Now, if you press a compartment on the pillbox illustration, you will notice that the corresponding line on the list below will be highlighted in blue. You will also notice that the corresponding lights on the physical pillbox are illuminated. This way there's no confusion as to which compartment you're wanting to program. As you can see, if I press the 7th line, the 7th compartment on the illustration and the physical pillbox will be selected. Now let's select the 2nd compartment again and add pill information by pressing the plus sign. You can proceed to type the name of the pill you're adding, the treatment frequency, the number of times you have to take a dose per day, and the specific times you have to take those doses. You should also select the number of pills you have to take at each time period. For this second time, at 8 p.m., I will take 2 pills. Once you have finished inputting the information, proceed to open the device and pour the pills into the correct compartment. Lastly, press Done, and the information will be sent and stored in the pillbox. Take pills. When it is time to take your pills, you will receive a notification on your phone and the pillbox will ring. When you open the pillbox, the lights on the lid will tell you which pills to take and how many. In this case, I will take 2 red pills and 1 tan pill. Edit information. To edit information, you will want to press the 3 little dots on the line you have selected. In this screen, you can see the information for the pills, such as the number of pills you have to take at a certain time. Now let's press the Edit button. In this case, I will edit one of the times I should take my pills. To delete all the information for this pill, you can press the 3 little dots again. Then press the red Delete button at the bottom of the screen. Adjust volume. To adjust the volume of the pillbox's alarm, press the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, press Pillbox Settings. Finally, press Alarm Volume and adjust the volume to your liking. Connect Bluetooth. If the app is not connected to the pillbox, the Bluetooth icon on the top right corner of the screen will be gray. To connect, press the gray icon, make sure your Bluetooth is on and the pillbox is charged and nearby, then select the pillbox. Skip dose. If for any reason you cannot take your pills when it is time, you can skip them by holding your finger on the elephant logo for 3 seconds. This will turn off the alarm and record the pills as skipped. Check battery. To check the battery life of your pillbox, hold your finger on the elephant logo for 3 seconds. Each green dot you see represents 10% battery. If there are 7 green dots, you have 70% battery. If a red light flashes on your pillbox, this means that the clock in the device is incorrect. This will occur if the battery runs completely out or if some sort of error occurred causing the device to restart. The alarms will not go off when they are supposed to if the device is in this state. In order to set the correct time on the pillbox, all you have to do is connect to it with the EllieGrid app via Bluetooth. The app will automatically set the correct time on the pillbox. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.